and serenity, to accept things we cannot change, the courage to change the things that we can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Just for today.
Report. The beginning balance was $1,786.82. Our income was $1,010. Our expenditures were $200, and our ending balance was $2,596.82.
TV actually, with our house money, we was actually able to take a vote, and that's something we voted on. We actually got that as a house. That was an awesome thing to do. It's just upstairs. It's a bedroom here. It's Rob's room. Two guys that stay in this room. Hey, Raylan. Hi. Hi. Yeah, a little pigtail. That's cute.
Mike owed $0. Rent $125. Paid $125. Left that balance of $0. Josh owed $0. Rent is $110. He paid $0. He owes $110.
That trust is being reestablished, and for me, where I was to now, that's a big step. And it's amazing. So it's a wonderful feeling.